Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix YouTube audio out of sync issues in 2026. This problem is very annoying and many creators notice that the audio doesn't match the video after upload, even though it was fine on their computer. First, understand why this happens. Audio sync issues often occur because of variable frame rate recordings or incorrect export settings. Screen recordings and mobile videos are common causes of this problem. Next, check your export settings. Always export videos using a constant frame rate, not variable. Variable frame rate can confuse YouTube during processing and cause audio delay or early audio. Then look at your audio sample rate. YouTube works best with 48 kilohertz audio. Mixing different sample rates like 44.1 kilohertz and 48 kilohertz can create sync issues after upload. Another fix is to re-encode the video. Use editing software or a video converter to re-export with constant frame rate and proper audio settings. This solves most sync problems instantly. Also, avoid heavy editing effects. Too many speed changes or transitions can slightly shift audio timing. Always check sync before final export. Finally, if the issue appears only on YouTube, wait for processing to finish. Sometimes audio sync fixes itself after HD processing completes. So yeah, audio out of sync usually comes from frame rate issues, audio sample rate mismatch, or export settings. Fix these and your YouTube videos will play perfectly in sync. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.